another video. Y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail, so y'all know what we gonna be doing today, man. And as y'all can tell, I'm in Ghost right now. Look at the headliner falling down. Ghost need a little work, but I'm making this video because yesterday I had a couple parts to come in, something that the car been needing and I've been waiting on, and actually got it installed with the help of my cousin, man. And it was a very, very tedious process, man. A very tedious process. But I had to switch the ignition switch out on the car, which would be easy to do if I had the key to the car. You know, there's a button up on the steering wheel you press. You press the little button where you flip the switch. You put the key in the switch, flip the switch to the on position, and push the little button up on the steering wheel, and the ignition switch slides straight out. But being that I lost the key to the car, you know, I had to do it, how can I say this? I had to do it the unconventional way. I had to pretty much drill it out, and I had to drill it out, man. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it was a crazy process. I got frustrated several times, you know. I ain't even think about turning the camera on, but I actually got it. I got it installed now. Like I said, thanks to my cousin. You know, he helped me out. And this the old one, man. Yeah, it looked crazy as hell, y'all. I can't even lie. It was a crazy process, man. Went through a whole bunch of drill bits, and I think 2 dead drill batteries. So I got to try my drill back up, but I actually had to drill it out. I don't know if y'all can see that. I had to drill it out, man. It was a crazy long and process. I can't even lie, man. I got, show y'all, broken drill bit. That's just one. I mean, I got stuff everywhere, y'all. Another piece of a broke drill bit. And let me see, can I show y'all this, man? Let's see, can y'all see all that down there? All them metal shavings and all that, man. Like, it's just a mess in here right now, but I'm gonna vacuum all that out. I'm gonna vacuum all that out, man. But like I say, I do have the other one installed, and today I'm gonna try to jump the call. You know what I'm saying? I got the new one installed. It worked. Do everything it's supposed to do. But I'm gonna pull the Lincoln around in front of it, the air dog, pull the air dog in front of it, and let it try to charge it up or whatever. Let it sit, let it charge for a while. You know what I'm saying? The car been sitting for a minute, man. Ghost been sitting down for a couple months, so I know the battery dead as shit, man. But if y'all here just watching the video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. And like I always say on every last video, if y'all already subscribed to the channel, I appreciate y'all 100%. If you're here just watching the video and you just ran across this some type of way, y'all please drop a like. Please consider subscribing, man. It'll be greatly appreciated, man. But with all that being said, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, hopefully this work. Hopefully I get to start the car up. If the cars do turn over, y'all, we gonna take it for a little test drive. I'm gonna take y'all with me, man, for a little test drive. Try to blow it out. You know, take it uptown, put a couple $1 worth of gas in it, get a gag treatment. You know, we might even change the oil or whatever on it, man. But hopefully it'll work, man. So y'all drop a like on that video, man. If you ain't subscribed, subscribe. But with that being said, let's get straight into this. Alright guys, we got the cars pretty much in front of each other. Y'all can see how Ghost looking right now in rough shape. I gotta get all that shit from under there, man. Like, hopefully it start up, man. I can take it to the car wash and blow it all off, but that came in too, y'all. I told you the impact script. Told y'all the impact script was coming too, man. I wasn't too concerned about it, but I went head on and got it because it actually helped the car look way better. Like, it didn't take no more than a minute and a half to put it on. Like I said, I ain't even bothered making no video of that. But I'm about to set the camera up, man, see can I jump the car off. I know it may take a while, but we're gonna see what it can do, y'all. Alright, so we got the cable hooked up now, y'all. I'm gonna go in here see can I flip the switch, see if I'm getting any type of power. I know it probably ain't gonna jump off like that because my jumper cables are not all that big. I need some bigger, heavy duty jumper cables, but with the size of my jumper cable, man, you know what I'm saying, it may take a while, but I just pray to God that the car start. You know what I'm saying? The car haven't ran in a while, so it'll feel good to hear the Flowmaster breathing, man. Hear that 4.6 doing what it's supposed to do, y'all. So my finger crossed, hopefully it did work, man. If y'all think it's gonna work, drop a comment, let me know what y'all think, man. Like I said, I'm trying something. I replaced the ignition and there's a whole nother key in the car right now. So hopefully it did work and I don't have to get it programmed because the car do have a push button start. So I'm praying that it start on up. If not, we're gonna have to get the key program. We're gonna have to find out, y'all. Alright guys, it's been sitting for a while. Let's go over here and see what type of fire we got. Let me know what y'all think. Or if y'all know any other tips or tricks, you know, it'll be greatly appreciated, man. You know. But let's see what type of fire we got, man. Alright. Got the ignition on. Fuel pump just came on. All the lights on. Let's see. Nothing. It turns over, but it don't want to start. And my heart telling me it's that chip, man. That was my heart telling me, man, it's the chip. Because the fuel pump coming on. Hold on, let me go ahead and make sure we got fuel in, coming up here to the fuel real quick. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but if you want to see a gas coming up to your car, man, you just find some. I just got the little air pen. Woo, getting plenty of gas up here. So it's not the fuel pump. She getting plenty of gas. So it may be that chip. I did put a gas treatment in it before the car was sent down, so the gas should be alright. It should be good and stabilized. But we're gonna try it a couple more times here, y'all. If not, I might just have to go on, bite that bullet and just spend that little, I think they said it was like $175 to get the key program or whatever. Alright, y'all, we tried it several times, still didn't give me nothing. At least I got a little power to roll my windows up and do all the other stuff I need to do to it, so I'm gonna go and do that. But like I say, man, y'all get in the comment section, let me know what y'all think, what the problem could be. I mean, I'm pretty much thinking it's that switch. I mean the chip in that key. But if y'all, like I said, if y'all know any type of tips or tricks or something like that, that'll bypass that, that'll save me a couple dollars, I'm all for that, man. But I hope y'all like the video, man. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'm gonna get back with y'all with more video, man. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Bass Ass, I'm out of here.
This is a Rude Boy production, man. If Rude Boy ain't on your track, what is you doing?